guys, your travel buddy is back and this time we will visit Hong Kong for 9 days. Tara! After namin mag-park sa covered parking sa Terminal 3, ayan, nag-check-in na kami ng baggage and then we went straight to the immigration. Bilis lang yung process sa immigration. They just ask for the passport, boarding pass, and the return date and that's it. At ayan, at exactly 6 o'clock PM boarding na kami. It's gonna be our first time in Hong Kong, so I'm really excited. At ayan, I used my idle time to fill out the arrival card for Hong Kong immigration. After an hour and 45 minutes, we finally arrived in Hong Kong. First impression is their airport is humongous. Ang laki talaga niya, guys. At ayan, I used my ATM to withdraw some Hong Kong dollars. I also bought octopus cards that we can use for MTR or train. After buying our internet SIM cards, we had a dinner dito na rin sa airport. We will be traveling from the airport to Kowloon where we will stay. We chose the Airport Express train over taxi or bus because this is the fastest way to go to our hotel. It took us like 20 to 25 minutes to go to Central Station. And doon na kami sumakay papuntang Tsim Tsa Tsui area. And guys, we chose to stay in Kowloon Hotel because of its 5-star reviews and it is located in Nathan Road along the Tsim Tsa Tsui area, so it's very near the Victoria Harbour and maraming restaurants and establishment na malapit sa kanya. The best thing about this hotel is it has an exclusive access directly to the MTR, so sobrang convenient talaga siya, guys. I highly recommend this hotel. Sa last vlog ko, marami nag-request ng quick room tour, so ito na siya. Ayan yung bathroom. Ayan yung king size bed and I love it because I also have like a small working station. For the room rates, guys, you can check in booking.com or Agoda. Okay, so this is our second day in Hong Kong. Time to explore. So ayan, first stop natin is Victoria Harbour. Isang tawid lang siya from our hotel. I was really excited to see the Victoria Harbour, so I got up so early to see this. Sulit naman yung pagising ko ng maaga kasi ayan, guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng Victoria Harbour. I have never seen so many skyscrapers in my life and this is really a beautiful bay area. Yung buong 9 days stay namin dito, I usually get up early and just walk here and appreciate the place. Ayan, nagpicture na tayo. Syempre, meta yan sa Hong Kong. The left side, dito nyo makikita yung Avenue of the Stars, and then the right side, ayan, makikita nyo yung famous clock tower. Ayan, so quick glance muna tayo sa Victoria Harbour and nag-breakfast lang kami and then we are off to our next stop. Traveling around Hong Kong is really easy because of their MTR. I can't help but be amazed at their railway system that goes underwater. Literal na dumadaan sa ilalim ng dagat kaya may part na masakit sa tenga. Anyways, we are already here in Ngong Station. I booked this round-trip cable car ride sa Klook. If you are really into traveling, the Klook app is a must-have because it lets you get discounts and let you skip long queues because they have exclusive lane. You can download the app and you can use my code so you can start getting discounts na rin. And yeah, we are super excited to ride this cable car. This cable car is big. I think it can accommodate 6 to 8 people. We had an amazing time riding this cable car. The view is really fantastic. It is elevated so high. It goes through the mountain. You can see the sea, their man-made airport. It is approximately 25 minutes before you reach the end. It is also where the Ngong village is located. So this cable car ride is a must-do for me if you go to Hong Kong. For me, there's really no funner way to go to Lantau Island than this cable car ride. Ayan, kita na yung Big Buddha on the left side, so we are about to arrive at the end. After bumaba sa cable car, naglakad lang kami ng konti and finally we reached our second stop for this day, which is the Ngong village. This village is really serene, sobrang peaceful and calm niya. But this is one of the most visited tourist spot here in Hong Kong, so pwede rin dumami yung tao dito. Buti na lang nandito kami, konti lang siya. At ayan, na-meet ko yung famous sa TikTok na cow, nandito siya. That's the big Buddha right there, or the Tiantan Buddha. It is 268 steps up, so syempre para saan pat nagka-cardio tayo sa gym kung di natin naakyatin to. That's me, syempre tamang pose lang sa camera para hindi halatang hinihingal na. thankfully I reached the top, and for me sulit naman yung pagod kasi sobrang ganda ng view from the top. And ayan, after the Ngong village, we ride again the cable car so we can go back to the metropolis. And yung view going back, and ayan yung man-made airport island nila guys. We had to take an early dinner dito sa Citygate outlets nila dahil sobrang nagutom kami sa Ngong village. So ayan, food trip na. After this, we rode the MTR going back to Tsim Tsa Tsui area. Gusto ko yung vibe dito lalo pag gabi dito sa Tsim Tsa Tsui area. Yan, maraming tao, maraming pwedeng gawin. Ayan, we are back to Victoria Harbour to watch the Symphony of Lights. This happens every 8 o'clock p.m. every day. This is a must-see attraction here in Hong Kong. And ayan, the buildings or the skyscrapers are lighting up lights. Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng Victoria Harbour guys, lalo na pag gabi. You can appreciate the buildings more because they are well lit up, and the harbor view, it's really amazing. Ito yung view ng Hong Kong Islands because we are from the Tsim Tsa Tsui area, so we are looking from the other side. Maraming activities ang pwede nyong gawin sa Victoria Harbour, especially at night. Yan, may mga boat ride, yacht ride, cruise with dinner. And we will try that on the other day. So abangan nyo yung part 2 ng ating Hong Kong trip. After ng Symphony of Lights, we went back to our hotel na since pagod na rin, and maaga kami tomorrow since we are going to Disneyland. Alright, this day is Disneyland day, and we woke up like 10 o'clock a.m. and then we had our brunch at a restaurant near our hotel, and yeah, they serve really good food. My favorite is like the roast beef. After kumain, ayan, nag-ride na kami ng MTR. So, we need to go to Tung Chung line from Tsim Tsa Tsui station. Then, you need to go to Sunny Bay station where the train going to Disneyland is located. And we're here in Sunny Bay station, and that's the Mickey Mouse train going to the happiest place on earth. At this train, I felt like I was a 10-year-old again. So feeling bata na muna tayo since pupunta tayo sa Disneyland. We are really super excited, and finally, we are already here in Disneyland. I purchased our passes from Klook again guys, and we really save a lot of money because of that. I recommend you download the Disneyland app before going here so that you'll know the schedule of the shows and you can use it as a map as well. Ito yung Jungle River Cruise. This is one of my favorite ride. Pwede din siyang pangbata since maraming artificial animals and there are a lot of surprises in this cruise. Akyan nyo na lang para magulat kayo. Alright, this is our next ride, which was Iron Man experience. It is a fun ride. Unfortunately, hindi pwede yung videos doon, so hindi ko siya nakunan. There are so many rides here in Hong Kong Disneyland. I think kulang ang isang araw para matry mo siya lahat. Maraming shows na pwede mong mapanood, so you have to check on your app from time to time para wala kang ma-miss na show. This is one of the shows that is happening in front of the castle, and ayan, there you go. That's my favorite Disney character right there. It's Woody. Sayang nga lang wala si Buzz Lightyear eh. I realized that Disneyland is not just for kids but for people who are young at heart. Well, I guess this is why this is the happiest place on earth. Well, this concludes the part 1 of my Hong Kong vlog. Please watch out for the second part. We will explore Hong Kong main island, the Causeway Bay. We will do a day tour in Macau. We will go on a cruise on Victoria Harbour. Syempre, sasakay tayo ng Peak Tram at pupuntahan natin ng Sky Terrace. You can follow and subscribe for future travel with me. Thank you so much for watching guys. Always travel safe and peace out.